pati na ilong ko. Ba yan? Kung kailan ako mag-film, pati. Whew. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Like, finally, after 2 years. Wow, ang tamad. Nagbabalik na ako. So, paano ba ako magsisimula? Just bear with me with my awkwardness kasi ngayon ko lang ulit gagawin to eh. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo despite this pandemic? I hope you're all doing well despite the situation going around. Ako? Kamusta ba ako? Kamusta nga ba talaga? Ako lang ba yung mas tumindi yung pag-overthink nitong sa loob ng 3 buwan? Grabe, ang hirap labanan. Ako lang ba yun? Epekto yata yun ng cravings ngayong quarantine. Char! Anyway, I decided to create this video out of nowhere. Wala lang, trip-trip lang. I don't know if may execute ko to ng tama. Since I'm not really good with speaking, I'd rather choose writing over speaking. Pero diba, why not, diba? Mag-try naman tayo ng bago. So, ayun na nga. I've come up with 10 realizations this quarantine. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung mga yon, just keep on watching. Your feelings are all valid. Hindi ka baliw, hindi ka nag-o-overreact, hindi ka nag-iinarte, hindi ka lang talaga nila gets. Hindi kasi lahat ng tao may intindihan yung nararamdaman mo unless they are in your shoes. Kaya lahat yung nafe-feel mo, acknowledge mo yan. Kasi lahat yan valid. It's okay to be sensitive and vulnerable. Naalala ko nung bata ako, lagi akong sinasabihan na, ay, sensitive mo, iyakin ka, mahina ka. Pero na-realize ko, nitong pagtanda ko, it's not the sign of weakness but rather strength if gagamitin mo ng tama. At least, diba, you have empathy for others. Nararamdaman mo kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Naiintindihan mo sila. And that's what makes you unique. Iba ka sa mga ibang tao. Tsaka, for me ngayon, mas minamahal ko na yung sarili ko dahil dun sa trait kong yun. At least you have the ability to emotionally understand what other people feel. And for me, that was such a beautiful trait. Kaysa naman walang paki sa'yo, diba? Kaya taas kamay ng mga sensitive dyan. Hello! Pain teaches us a lot of things. For me, you cannot learn without experiencing pain. Salamat ka, may nararamdaman ka pa. Just be thankful, nakaka-experience pa tayo ng hinanakit sa life. It doesn't mean na forever na yan. Huwag mong tambayan. Wow, big word coming from me. Kaya, if ever ma-experience mo yung pain, just feel it. Bear with it. Until magsawa ka. Ramdamin mo. At the end of the day, ayun yung makakapagpa-strong sa'yo as a person. Trust me. It's okay to ask for help, but make sure to trust a few. Ito, major note to self to sa akin. I always tend to keep my problems on my own. Ayoko makaistorbo. Kaya sometimes I keep my mouth shut. Or isusulat ko na lang siya sa private journal ko. Especially this quarantine. Sobrang daming thoughts na pumapasok sa isip ko. Sometimes, hindi na siya nakakatuwa. Kaya, seek for help sa family, sa friends, sa jowa. Basta dun lang talaga sa mga makakagets sa'yo. And dun sa mga taong hindi ka i-judge no matter what. Ito, alam ko marami ng pagod sa atin. Despite everything, which leads me to this next realization. Keep your eyes on the goal. It's okay to rest. It's okay to run, but never give up. Okay lang magpahinga. Hindi ka naman perfect eh. Nakapapagod ka din. Okay lang mag-run. Kung yan yung way mo, kung paano mo ma-relieve yung stress mo eh. Pero wag na wag ka mag-give up. Because giving up is never a choice. Hindi ko alam kung ikukwento ko pa ba to or what. Pero alam nyo, nung college ako, sobrang konting-konti na lang, gi-give up na ako. Alam mo yung parang, oh. Charot. Ang sakit. Charot. Sa alam nyo yung parang hindi nag-fall into place lahat ng gusto mong mangyari. So, parang feeling mo hindi ka mag-e-excel. So, you tend to say to yourself na, gusto ko na mag-give up. Sobrang hirap. Lalo na kung hindi mo naman talaga gusto yung ginagawa mo. Pero alam nyo, hindi naman tayo makakarating kung sino tayo ngayon, diba? Kung nag-give up tayo. Kaya, hold on. Kaya natin yan, diba? Which leads me to my next realization. Practicing will never betray you. We all know na hindi naman talaga tayo perfect. We all start from somewhere, di ba? It takes time para magamay natin yung isang bagay. It doesn't mean na we're dumb. Just allow yourself to be a beginner. Slow progress is still a progress. No one starts as being excellent. Just like this thing, this vlogging. I know, matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload. Matagal ako nagkaroon ng self-doubt. Up until now, meron pa nga din eh. But now, I'm trying because I want to see what I'm capable of. And hindi ko malalaman if hindi ko itatry. Lakas maka-advise sa sarili. Di naman magawa! Recognize your own achievement rather than comparing yourself to others. Sobrang dali i-compare ang sarili, lalo na ngayong generation. Social media and all. Super easy, super dali talaga. Instead of seeing others, why not assess yourself? Focus on your own. Assess mo yung sarili mo kung gaano ka na kalayo nakarating. And you'll see, you'll be surprised. Kahit ako, in my own experience ha, super hirap for me kasi growing up, sobrang baba ng self-esteem ko. But ngayong quarantine, as I look back in my life, I realized, wow, not to brag ha, pero wow, dami ko na rin palang na-achieve. Kaya, mas okay kung i-compare mo yung past self mo sa present self mo, kesa naman i-compare mo yung sarili mo with others. Lahat tayo may different timeline. Panapanahon lang yan. So, just be thankful kung nasan ka ngayon. At least, di ba, nag-improve tayo as a person. Be kind to yourself. The way you speak to yourself is so important. Sometimes, alam mo yun, parang mas hard ka pa sa sarili mo kaysa sa iba. #relate. Sometimes, naapektuhan na yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Kaya, pag na-feel mong ganun ka na, toxic mo na. Tigilan mo na yan. Pigilan mo yung sarili mo. Accept mo na hindi ka perfect. Accept mo yung mga weaknesses mo, flaws mo, mga imperfections mo. Accept natin lahat yan kasi ikaw yan eh. That's you. That's ayan yung magpapatunay na unique ka. Mahalin mo kung ano ikaw. Encourage yourself. I know mahirap. Lalo na pag sa sarili mo. Relate na relate. I know mahirap. Pero wala namang mag-aangat sa sarili mo kundi ikaw lang, diba? You can't make everyone like you. Sometimes we are defined by what other people say. Aminin. It is a recipe for stress, misery, and frustration. Huwag mong baguhin yung sarili mo para sa ibang tao. Hayaan mo sila. Just continue being yourself. Just continue what you are doing. Those people na naniniwala sa'yo, yun ang pahalagahan mo. Eventually, at the end of the day, sila lang naman yung magmamatter sa'yo, di ba? Be thankful. Sa lahat ng bagay, always be grateful. Even in the middle of chaos, at least nakakakain ka. At least nakakapag-work from home ka. At least healthy ka despite this pandemic. At least healthy pamilya mo. Higit sa lahat, blessed ka. From small things to big, always be grateful. Maswerte ka, add to cart ka lang sa Lazada. I think that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and sana may natutunan kayo. Comment kayo sa baba. Comment down below if meron din kayong natutunan this quarantine. I would gladly like to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Lakas mga vlogger. Follow me on my social media accounts at @MargeAlvarez_. And yun lang. Bye guys!